Hi guys, welcome back to the garden. We're here inside the greenhouse where the tomatoes have literally taken over. I want to show you guys where the zinnias used to be. They're in here underneath all that. And now it's crazy. Here's the place we no longer walk through. In fact, Zach just trellised it all up. And we picked just as many cucumbers this week as we did last week. And we got a box of tomatoes too. Pretty crazy. These are taken off. Still plenty of green tomatoes. This one fell over, even though it was somewhat supported. It's so loaded with fruit that it just toppled. It's crazy. I think we have bugs in this box, maybe slugs. It's very frustrating because that's the same problem we had last year. The mustard is almost done blooming. We have some here that are starting to dry out. I don't know if you can see the color change. But we got tons of mustard seeds. And these guys are trying to produce something, but something is still eating them. So we'll see. These are still the Brussel Sprouts. And they are neither blooming or producing bulbs. We'll see if they hang on till it's cooler, and maybe they will. These similar seed pods to the mustard are the cauliflower. And I actually tasted one, and they taste just like cauliflower. I think it got too hot for the cabbage. We're having trouble with them as well. They're not really making heads anymore. And these potatoes are doing better, along with these cucumbers are doing great. And I suppose I could show you guys the harvest. This is where we water from. Nice little hole in the ground. Makes it easier than carrying water. We thought about picking blackberries, but it's really hot out there. There's a few, but these are the cherry tomatoes and maybe one of another variety. And there's the few blackberries. We've got cabbage leaves, taste a lot like greens. Taking home the last of the lettuce. And under here is a ton of cucumbers. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.